Vale, pues empiezo ya.
Okay.
Okay, let's start.
Hi everybody.
Wait, I will disable the notifications. How do I do it?
Yeah,
Uh,
according to this, the transmission has started now.
yeah, has started. Well, I don't know how to disable the notifications.
I don't
Well,
know,
anyway, let's
but
continue.
yeah, here we are.
So today we will try to fix the AI.
Some bugs with the behavior of the AI, according to start reviving partners and so on. And we have found some tricky bugs that
You see,
we'll
for
try to
example,
fix now. Yeah,
it seems like sometimes they try to help the same person, two or more other persons. And what happened to this guy?
yeah, and it seems to lead to some crashes and malfunctioning with the former AI, and we'll try to fix that in that moment. And also, I will start to finish some of the weapons that will make in order to get into the early access on Steam. So I hope you guys consider to try the demo on Itch.io, and also if
Yeah,
you
I
like
put a
it,
link on the description of this stream to the demo on itch.io.
ex- excellent. So remember to play it, give us some feedback, and if you like it and want to collaborate with the project and put some donations to try to achieve to get into Steam and following the early access. So I will try to finish some of the weapons, and Matthew, and on this moment will start to work on the AI. So let's follow with Matthew.
Uh-huh. So yeah, I have no idea what is happening. And well, there in the chat there are two people saying hi.
Hi,
So
Rose.
hi, Bayon Fast and Samurai Kina. Welcome. I hope you like the stream.
Yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed the streaming, and also don't forget to write suggestions. Hi, new hi. Welcome,
Oh,
welcome all,
hi.
and try to write some suggestion of the project. Stay with us. We are regularly check your message, and also you can talk about what you like about Erebus and share your opinions. We are glad to read them.
Okay, so I will put a setter to see when the variable is changed.
Okay. So the double rifle is some tricky to do. So it's based clearly on the AK-47, but uh, for some reason the proportions are not equal, not the same with the original rifle. The handguard is a quite challenge to make it. So the ventilation holes of the barrels um, and gas tubes, I cannot place on the middle of the pixels display here. So I don't know how it will looks well, see, on upwards or below them. I don't know, but I will try to figure out.
Okay, so here I put a debug message to see when is being guided changes and of what character. And now let's try if it crashes.
I hope not.
No, I hope yes, so we can fix it.
Ah, you put a breakpoint. Okay, get it.
I put a print.
Okay.
So I want. Oh, I killed them all. Wait. So you see, there are 3 people hailing 2 people. This is wrong. This shouldn't be happening.
So the idea is what the nearest ally to the fallen ally
For
will help
example,
him.
here. Ah no, there are 2 now.
Try to put the game on English because the message are not
Yeah.
displayed well.
Uh, no. It does not want to crash now. Hmm.
Okay, I think I get it.
Now. Hmm.
Not working?
Yeah. So it crashed when this guy started hiding the guy in the floor.
Mm.
Hmm. And it seems the is being guided variable has not changed. Hmm. Okay, let's see what character is the one that causes the problem. This one or the one in the floor? I think this one. But no. This function is of the character in the floor, I think. So this is the the first bandit. Let's check the remote. Here it is. Oh, why I can see now. Let's check the position. Uh-huh. That one. Yeah, that one is the one in the right. And that is the one in the left. So the one that crashes is this one. Oh no, wait.
Skillish. Yeah, exactly.
See.
Amen.
Oh
Skill
no,
issue
this one is the bottom.
is the thing that Matthew is having right now.
Yeah. Where is the book?
Yeah, where is that a good question? Where is it?
Yeah. So the character that crashes is this one. Because it seems it's not in the injured state. But it should. Look, he's on the floor.
In the world, don't you think?
And oh, but look, he dropped the weapons.
Now let me see.
Mm,
Again, that thing happened, I think yesterday or something.
yeah. So definitely, there is something wrong here. I can see well, but I don't see if it has the health bar. Let's ignore the error.
Try to see on remote.
And you see, yeah, he's dead. So the bandit tried to help a dead enemy. It shouldn't. Yeah. So here, when we reach the enemy in the floor, we change to Italy. That this is the function that calls the function to actually hide the comrade. You know, but here we have this function. If we are in approach and there is no character that needs help, we exit the 8 state.
Mm,
Oh, it
What's happening?
killed me from one shot.
Mm,
Okay, so maybe the problem is the enemy dies before the other enemy reaches here. But reaches him. Okay, so now I kill. Yeah, it crashed again.
it crashes in the dead screen. Mm. Well, it needs certainly a lot of renovations. What? Crash it again?
Yeah, yeah. Hmm.
Well, to the people that are seeing right now, I hope you like guns because the game will have a lot of guns, and a lot I mean hundreds, not dozens and too much, hundreds of guns. I like the game with a lot of guns. I say a lot in some devlogs, trailers, and so on, but I will. I want to be certainly clear with that. So, in the meantime, Matthew tries to figure out what is happening. I will working on the last of the rifle. We have a little list here with a lot of guns that I made it with a lot of characteristics that makes one of them unique based on real models and all that the pixel art um, allows to put in there, and some of the exotic weapons that will have in the game. We are planning to do some unique weapons based on famous characters on the cultural media, on the like Terminator, Scarface, Rambo, and weapons that cannot will not be upgraded, but it will maintain some characteristics that will be buffed respecting to to vanilla or basic models in the game. So I am finished the snipers, and we are divided them in chapters. Chapter 1, 2, 3, and 5. The game will feature for now 5 chapters, and each chapter will featuring weapons based on certain periods of the human history. And starting with the Wild West weapons and World War One weapons to the actual and 2020s and actual era weapons. So I have finished shotguns, heavy guns, rocket launchers, grenade launcher, anti-tank rifle, anti-material rifles, and SMGs, light machine guns, assault rifles, and pistols. Forgot the sniper rifle that comprehends sniper rifles and service rifles and military rifles and marksman rifles. So the variety will be wide. So the next step, finish the basic shape that will be featured in the game, will be separate the mobile parts of the weapon, so magazines, pump action, handle chariot, lever, accessories, part of the gun tank, and levers and the case bolts, so they will be properly animated on the game, and the effects, sounds, and functionality that will be based, and if the gun shoot automatically, semi-automatically, and will be overheat with each shot, and well, where of the gun will be ejecting castles, and if it's not, in case of the revolvers. And I know you guys, if you like the weapons, you like the different weapons that will be featured in the game. It will be really fun. I'm very excited of this, and I like to share that excitement making the game with you guys. So again, the feedback, the commentaries, we'll always read them. We answer it if we want to discuss some topic, but we are there writing you guys, and I hope you like what you are seeing right now.
Mhm.
So let's continue with Matthew. You
Yeah.
figure out the problem
So
right
I
now?
still don't have any idea what is happening. So you see here when it's very dark, but you can see there are 4 people hiding one.
Okay.
Yeah. Look, I will keep the pause. See, and it crashed.
Hmm. That is
So
something that we need to
why
watch.
there are 4 people hiding the same person?
I don't know. Maybe we go limit the criteria of the enemies to help and fallen ally. I don't know. We if
Yeah,
with
we're gonna look here.
yeah,
So
with
if
a 20%
there are,
of
Mhm.
probability that ally helps his friends, and not always do it, so because it will be very exploitable by the player. You if you if you shut down to an enemy, and the ally will be healthy always, you will count that will always happen, so you can exploit that thing and limit the capacity of movement of the enemy that will be help the ally. So you can make some distance and strike them out with the sniper rifle if the enemy is carrying a pistol that and will not shoot you at great distance, so if we limit the criteria of helping allies, maybe we could minimize that problem and that issue. I don't know. I think that will be a solution, and a way that not put the things so easy to the player.
Yeah. So if we look at the output, it says output overflow, like it has printed a lot of text. But it should not. We are only printing text where we are changing is being added. So
Mm,
maybe this is very bugged and it's being changed a lot of times. Let's take a look.
seems.
Look. What is happening?
What is say there?
Oh, the others are the same way. Oh, he died. Yeah, so it seems they are changing all the time between these two states. Or no, maybe between 5 and 8.
Yeah, but it seems not to work the 80 of the enemy.
Yeah, because they are changing states all the time. No, now it works. Now. You see between 8 and 5. So, yeah. Mm, yeah, and again, two people helping the same one.
Mm.
But the thing is, they are changing states. Like, this condition is met. There are
Mm.
no. Oh, wait a moment, I see.
What is happening?
So, yeah, when we had the bandit in the floor, we set is being added to true. Then Jet Ali need of 8 won't take it into account. So it's like there are no allies in need of 8 because the one in the floor is being added already.
In other
But
words, you
we are
are
checking
making a
anyway.
loop.
So it will
You,
exit and enter again and again.
you are getting a loop.
Yeah.
That's it. Oh, so you guys that are watching this, they must watch out to these functional loops
Oh yeah,
because
but
we are getting a big problem on this. So we
yeah,
with
but
a
this
simple
was this
measure.
way before. Look, I changed it to see if it fixed the problem, but no, it generated another one.
Maybe a while instead of an if.
A while, no, no. Look, now I only check if there are characters in need of aid, or if there are not. If we are in the approach state, while we are in Italy, I won't check the allies in need of aid because we already are aiding one. We don't need to check the others. Yeah, but
Okay.
this is how it was before. So now they won't change the states all the time, but we will still have the previous book.
Okay. Okay. Get it.
I'm doing some hacks to set my health to full.
It's time to hacker time.
Like here, it has happened again. Why?
Hmm.
But this time it did not crash. Hmm.
Hmm.
Hmm. So, guys, any idea what could be the problem? Hmm.
I think in meanwhile we'll try to. Mm, that was quite strange because uh, some time ago this thing is not happening at all.
Yeah. Hmm. Hmm.
So an idea to
No.
well, we are on moving waters right now.
Oh.
So
Yeah. The AI got out of control.
yep,
Maybe I added too many states.
yeah, I discussed that thing before.
Yeah,
I
but
I
it
think
should
from
work.
now on, yeah, it should work, but
Hmm.
with despite the errors, it working very well. The thing is that we must control even more how the AI try to revive its allies.
Yeah, yeah. So yeah, we enter this state and we try to hide a lie that is not injured. Hmm. Wait a moment, what is this timer?
I think.
Oh yeah, this timer is the time it takes to heal the lie. Wait a moment.
I told you we are on moving waters.
Yeah. Uh. Oh no, no. No, no, it's right. So we are only stopping the timer if it was not stopped. There is
Hmm.
no problem here. Hmm. Hmm. I don't know, let's check the function jet line need of 8.
Okay.
But yeah, it's very simple and it seems correct.
Hmm.
For all the allies we have in the vision field, we check if his state is injured and is not being guided already. If these conditions are met, I return the ally. So yeah, this seems correct.
And another rifle finish, the the 6 hour SSG 2000. So primarily the weapons will appear with none of accessories. This includes the sights you can see here. And with the dime, we'll be putting some scopes and silencers, and maybe the stocks will change, and laser sights, silencer, recoil compensators, and so on. But as you can see, that every weapon is not has any accessories on it. So the idea is with the time the weapon will change, will augmenting its accessories. On this gun, the Mondragon rifle, and first it will feature a extended magazine. Later on, will be a muzzle brake that will be featuring less recoil and bigger ammo capacity. And as you can see here, the Remington auto-loading rifle will be firstly featuring as a sight, an holographic sight, and later on a vented barrel that will be prevent of more overheating. And the idea will follow on some of the weapons. Some of the accessories will be that will have to embedded by us with the old machine guns features here, and later on its design will be allowed to gain more accessories more easily with these Picatinny rails that some weapon features. And that's it. And I think the rifle is finished. I will separate the file.
Nice, nice.
Okay. Uh, this is. So let's follow with the other rifles.
Here I added another assert. Wait, I put it wrong. It's not. So I will stop the game if not is being added is not true. So it is false. No, I will stop the game if it's being added is true.
Yeah.
Every time this condition is not met. If it is not false is true, then I will stop the game.
Dude. Ah.
I don't know when it happens. Why sometimes it works and sometimes don't. You see, like now there is only one character. It's happening now. You see two
Okay.
characters hiding the same one. And then is when this asset fails.
That's what I think that we must to limit the capacity of hiding allies.
Yeah, that's what I'm looking.
Hmm. Excuse me.
These guys were coming from far away. So they have been a long time in the approach state, knowing that they were being. So they stayed in the approach state, the two of them. But yeah, maybe they entered it at the same time and changed it, they target at the same time.
I think it's unlikely.
Yeah, it should not happen.
Yeah.
Yeah, but that's it, they were coming. See, it was not some quick thing. They were coming from far away to hide the same person.
Mm. It's quite a problem.
Oh, so I don't know. Hmm. Hmm.
Yeah, quite a problem, I say.
Yeah. Hmm.
Yeah, Houston, we have a problem.
Yeah. For some reason, is being hidden is not setting correctly, or it sets his value too late.
I see.
But I'm not using Kyle the Ferret or any of that, so it should not happen. I
Mm.
think. Yeah. No, I'm not using Kyle the Ferret. Oh, I see. This is my face when I figure out what the problem is.
Where is it? Let me see.
If you are looking at the direct, it will take some time to appear. Because it goes some seconds of retard. Yeah, look at it.
Uh, Not seeing right now.
Anyway, let's continue.
Ah, okay, okay.
So
Yeah, very, very accurate.
we are setting is being added when we actually add him when we enter the Italy state. So two or more characters can in the project state can target the
Ah,
same
okay.
the same ally to hell because is being added will not change until they enter Italy.
Okay, okay,
So
okay.
that's a problem. I don't know if it was the problem that made the game crash initially, but we have to fix this.
Okay.
Okay, so how do we do it? Yeah, instead of calling start hiding
Okay.
from Italy, here we're calling it, we will call it from here, from 8, when we enter this state. So then it does not matter if we are approaching him or hiding him. His being guided will change to true just when we enter this state, not this one. Okay, so
Okay, get it.
let's move this. I think I will have to move some other things too. I will put this at the start. Yeah, I have to move some variables. I timer and I time. Yeah. Oh wait, but I shall not start the timer until we actually hide him. So I shall leave this here. Start hiding, but I override this function, I think.
Mm,
Yeah, there it is. Yeah, so we should not call this function until we start hiding him, so we have a problem.
and how we try to fix that?
Yeah, so I don't know, chance only is being guided instead of killing start hiding.
Hmm.
Let's see. Yeah, I will call this from here. Mm-hmm. Good, good.
Excellent.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, but we should change it to false when we exit.
Hmm.
Nice. So then maybe we don't need to set to false here. Or use finish hiding and cancel hiding. Okay, I think we are good.
BNB.
So let's see. Castle says yo. Hi Castle, welcome to the stream. I hope you like it.
Oh,
And
hi,
let's
Castle.
see if we finally fix this bug.
Yeah, I've been trying almost all the streaming to figure out how to fix that. We are on good way.
Yeah.
So
Look.
remember
No.
to learn some good practice at the time to solve that books. Remember to that is important to start to mark some prints on the book console and do some breakpoints to ensure if a portion of the code is being executed well on certain situations.
So as you see, it still does not work.
Still not.
There were two people hailing the same, but this time it does not even trigger the assert.
Hmm. So in the
Oh, wait,
meantime,
wait, 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 wait.
okay.
So
No,
yeah,
for
here I'm using set is being guided of the character of the state machine. But this one is the one who is hiding. And is being hidden is the property of the character that this character is hiding. So instead, I should call it from the target.
uh,
Wait. Yeah, it's right here. Yeah, yeah. I only messed it up in the 8 state. Let's see now. Well, it seems the second one maybe it has is not helling it, but it's I don't know how to say it now. Like it has some obstacle that don't let him pass the other character. No, it's idle now. So yeah, they are still trying to help the same person.
that is not so good at the moment. So I finished the BSS Interest Russian rifle, and I have to point
Oh,
an interesting things.
it's even worse now. 5 people hailing the same one. Well,
Okay,
I will show your screen.
well, for you guys that are interested in learn some pixel art basics, but it's important to say that well you will want to draw some round edges. It's different to make a bridge in these follow pixels and making it a division of the rounds to make a sharp edge like this and make this the edge on. So when you are shading that colors, you have to assure that when the not so sharp edges, the contrast between the bright colors and the dark colors are not very, that has not to be very contrast between them. But in the brighter colors, it necessary to do some more contrast between the colors on the right of the gun. As you can see, we can make colors that are very similar to the real world counterpart. So the rifle is finished. I use that size of the Foster Origin, a modern shotgun of the Capture 5, I think. And the proportion are clear. This a big shotgun, and it has a smaller sniper rifle intended for use on special operation and paratroopers troops of the military. So I finished that. I will make the archive.
Yeah, so I was looking into that, and yeah, I'm confused. Where does the character determines that the one that is trying to help is dead? No, I added this, but this was not here before. So how we determine? Maybe here? Yeah, if he's not in the injured state, then it returns approach. Yeah, I will just remove that. Well, I will move it to the 8th state. Oh, here. No, they are still trying to have the same person. All of them. It's even worse now. So let's see what happens. But I'm changing is being added to troop at the start. Yeah, now it's not even triggering the assert. What is happening? Like print, like is being added is always true, I mean false.
Mm,
Yeah. Look. Oh, it doesn't breathe now. Yeah, so it's always false. But I'm changing it to true and I enter the 8th state.
huh.
Hmm.
Yeah, all of them are willing to hide the fallen friend, but not seem to work very well. Also, we choose to make weapons that make some enemies fall immediately. Oh, I'm glad you like it, Castle. Sorry to read too late. We have quite a situation here with the AI.
Yeah, we have a lot of bald people. Yeah. Hmm. Let's see. No, here we don't change it, but we change the value of is being added here. But anyway, this shall not be executed until we exit the state. Yeah, I will put a breakpoint. Here. No, because we are not actually setting it. It still it keeps his value false. But it changes to true. No, look, it always changes to false. Ah,
Not quite
here
sure.
here it changes to true. Of the player? What? What? It seems the value is being added of the player is changing. But how it's changing?
It has not
Who is
sense
trying
at
to help
all.
the player if it has not allies?
Yeah, but the situation is not to be true. It's not.
Yeah, the thing
What a
is,
mess.
every time is more bugged. Instead of fixing it, every time is worse.
Yeah, that is not a machine section. It is a book section.
Oh, like only it changes to true only in the player.
Hmm.
Wait, what I put here? Yeah, I use the target. So maybe the target is the player?
I don't think so.
Yeah, I can find
It's the
any other
player.
explanation.
Is
Let's
the player
just
indeed?
check it with a print. Ah, look. Here is where we set the target. So we should put this here. Let's see if it's fixed at least. Yeah, well, at least we reached the asset now.
Oh, fine.
So yeah, but it seems there are two bandits trying to help the same again. So yeah, we still have the same problem.
Hmm.
Hmm. Yeah, so let's take a break. And I will make the throwable weapons bouts. For example, if we throw them to a object of the wall like this, instead of changing his velocity to 0 directly, they will bounce like who, and then this way.
Also, I finished another bolt action rifle, the Macmillan Tech 308, an American rifle, I think. Yeah, I think it's American. And here it is. I rather prefer to make the pale blue color instead of the dark gray, because why not? We have a lot of dark gray weapons. So making another of different color, if the model of that color exists, I think it adds more visual variety to the game itself. So here it is. I I hope you like this rifle in the game. Another high caliber weapon of precision. So the same thing again. I will be doing the file and make another weapon more. I hope to finish the line to start to adding all of this in the game.
Yeah, so now I want to get the direction of the collision, but I don't know how to do it, so yeah, I'm searching it in internet. Yeah, so I want to get the collision direction, but it seems there is nothing. There is no variable that contains the value. Hmm. So here I will create the variable bounce dir that will contain the direction in which we will bounce. So now we have to decide that direction. Yeah. How do we decide the direction? Yeah, so if the shuriken, for example, comes from here, then it should bounce in that direction. So in that case, yeah, multiplying the x direction by -1 should work. But why if it's coming here? Yeah, we also change the x direction. But if it comes here, we should change the a direction. So how we decide if we change one or another? Yeah, wait a moment. Look what I have found here. A function called bounce in the vector2 class returns the vector bounced off from a plane defined by the given normal. Hmm. Huh. Wait, I think I have found a way. Wait, let me move that here.
I disconnected for a moment, sorry.
Yeah, no problem. Yeah, so if the vector that represents the no wait that we have the direction, I think is stored. There it is, direction. So we create a vector that points to the movement direction, the initial movement direction. So let's store that in a variable. Wait, the direction is already a vector. What I'm doing?
Why?
Yeah, so I don't need that. So with direction that x is greater than direction that I, so it's moving, if it's moving more to a side than up or down, then we make the bounce direction is equal to the direction that bounce by the normal, in this case vector 2 point left or right depending of the direction of x. Vector 2 point right, no, that no. If direction the text is greater than 0, else vector 2 dot left. Otherwise, if the direction A is greater than the direction x, so we are going up or down, we make bounce dir equal to the direction bounced by the normal, that in this case should be a vector down or a vector up, depending on the direction, of course.
Sounds great.
So vector 2 dot down if direction dot a is smaller than 0, so it's going up,
Greater than
then
0,
we
okay.
bounce him down. Otherwise, we bounce him up. And then I think this is not necessary anymore. And we'll call the interpolate position to animate him, the shuriken. Yeah, interpolate pose. What are the parameters? The init pose, sprite dot global position. What more? The final position. Let's do bounce dir multiplied by, for example, 32 pixels. And then collide with short wall objects at wall. Yeah, I will leave it to true. So I don't have to set it because it has a default value. Yeah, so let's try it.
Let's see if it works.
Yeah, it crashes. Yeah, I think I should call the function after the shuriken on the floor has initialized it. You know, so yeah, I have to move that down here and use call the ferret because I'm using call the ferret to add the shell. Let's see. Yeah, it doesn't work very well. Why
Oh
is
crap.
not interpolating? Wait, I will change that to false, so it won't collide with wall objects. Oh, it disappeared. Oh no, did you see it? The shuriken got pretty fast in that direction.
Yes,
What?
I saw.
Hmm. Yeah, so yeah, it always goes to the same direction. So I think it's
Yeah,
some
it is.
problem with the coordinates. Let's take a
Yeah,
look at what I
maybe with
have
the
done here.
reciprocate coordinate in the moment of the, yeah, that it has not to go on that direction, and also why it accelerates on that manner.
Yeah, some problem with the coordinates.
It's a mega booster speed.
Yeah. Oh yeah, of course. To the final position we have to add the initial position.
Mm.
If not, the final position is bounce dir multiplied by 32. This position is at the start of the map. So
Okay,
that's
get it.
why the shuriken was going at the start of the map so fast.
Hmm.
Yeah, it's better now.
Great.
So it seems it's
Seems to work right
interpolating
now.
in the wrong direction.
Hmm.
Maybe I understood wrong the concept of normal. Hernaldo, do you know what is a normal?
A normal. In let me see.
I
In
did
what context?
look. So I use this. So like the normal is this direction. So for example, if this is the house and we launch the shuriken from below, I think the normal should be a vector down.
Yeah, but why in this case decelerating? That's the question. And also,
It's accelerating. No, I already fixed that. It was for the coordinates.
oh,
Look, now
okay.
the problem is that it goes in the wrong direction. See? Well, if
Oh,
you are looking at the stream, it has some seconds retard, but you will see in some seconds.
oof. Yeah, that's quite a problem. Yep. And
Yeah,
also, if you look well, the Chorigan itself is getting inside the collision box.
yeah, but this will not happen if it bounces in the right direction.
So how you are supposed to recover the drop the Chorigan in that case?
Yeah. So I will not use the bounce function. I will just multiply the. In this case, it's going to the left or the right. Oh no! Wait a moment.
Hmm?
Of course, here I'm doing this comparison, but the numbers can be negative. You know, so I have to
And
use
also the equation
the
is
absolute
also
value.
always, yeah, it's also always displaying positive numbers. Am I right?
Yeah, these comparisons are also only work with positive numbers. Yeah,
Okay,
because
okay,
yeah.
okay.
Let's
That's
check.
my might be the problem.
Let's see. Yeah, perfect.
Let me see again, please.
No, in that direction it's wrong.
Oh,
Wait. Yeah. So depending on the direction, it does
Yes.
not work well. So yeah. For example, in this case, it detects
I
that
think
it
yeah, I think it's that
bounces to
because no,
this
I
way.
think it's that because the shuriken has no way to know if it's colliding to the interior of the collision box or to the exterior of that. It has not the coordinate. The equation is well, but the collision has not any way to know if it has to be changing its direction to the exterior of the collision instead of the interior of the collision.
The
I
problem
think
is the equation, because if I launch the shuriken this more horizontally than vertically, then I switch the A direction. So if I launch the shuriken this way, the bounce direction is this way.
okay.
This would be easier if I had the collision direction when the point where the collision happened, but I don't have this. I only have the point of the house and the point of the shuriken, but this is not a viable solution.
Okay, get it.
Because the position of the house does not represent the point where the shuriken collides. It could collide
Mm,
here, and or here. It would be very different positions. And and here, the shuriken should bounce in different directions.
get it.
So how do we decide the direction?
That's a good question.
Maybe combining what I have now with the position of the house.
You
Some
say?
way.
But what about the irregular polygons? I mean, rocks and other things.
Yeah, yeah. So yeah, it will be easy if we could jet the collision point, but
Okay,
we can do it. There is no function nor property that returns as the point where the collision occurred.
okay.
Hmm. Yeah, it seems there is some way to do of doing this with a rigid body, but I'm not using a rigid body.
What is taken on that way?
Mm. There is a way of doing it also with kinematic body, but no, I'm using an area.
Hmm.
Yeah, so let's try to use the position of the object we collided with. If the polygon
Okay.
is irregular, it will not work. But for squares, it will work more or less, I think.
Okay.
Okay, so with that we have the vector to the house in this case. If we
So
collide
I
with the
think
house,
it's
we have the vector from the shuriken to the house. Then
yeah.
we normalize it to get the direction, or maybe it's not necessary.
But how it will work on other polygons or other collisions?
Yeah, it will not work.
Yeah, it's quite a problem because we have to figure out, depending on the surface, how it will react on the impact that shuriken.
Yeah, but it's that I have no way of knowing where the collision occurred.
Okay.
And even if I knew the point where the collision occurred, I need the normal.
Mm, yeah, that's true.
So yeah, maybe I can set the collision position with the function of the shape.
Sounds good.
But then what about the normal? How do I know the normal vector?
Mm. So in that case, what we do?
Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah. Okay. Let's leave on that way for now. I hope we
Yeah,
shall
we'll
show a
leave that
solution in
as
the
before.
next streaming. Mm. It's very tricky for now, but let's try to figure out to fix that on the next transmission. I think that is all for now.
Yeah.
But
So
but
today
we are
I
advancing to the goal.
I know that that's it very much. But well, we will continue.
Well, that's
So maybe we
that
will
it.
not be able to implement this. The the travelers will have to stop when they collide, and that's it.
Okay. Okay, let's leave on that way by now. But I think that's all for all.
Yeah.
And everyone who has watched it in this moment and in the future, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something, and we'll try to make a solution and show to you on the next streaming. Also, we will show you something that we left pending on the last stream. That is the stats menu and how we progress
Oh,
on the different parts of the game.
yeah, we advanced
We
it very much in the stage menu. Look. So this is
But
how we have
regarding
it.
of the
It's fully
last
functional.
transmission, yeah, it's fully functional,
We
and
have here all the
also
stats, and we can even increase the level with at
yeah,
XP. Like, let's put a lot to increase them to max level. You see,
yeah,
we
but
have at level 100, we have all that advantages.
yeah, but we will show more of that in the next streaming with a lot more of details and sharing to you some highlighting of how it works on the different levels, so that you can see and share your opinions from that.
Yeah, so that's it. Thanks for watching the stream, and I hope to see you all on the next one.
Bye, guys.
Bye bye.